Yun! Likat! Unboxing tayo. This is from Salad Master. After namin mademohan, and with live cooking show, yung misis ko, uraw-rada. Sabi niya magkano down payment. So yun na nga. To cut the story short, kumuha kami ng set. And ang maganda dito, after down payment, kinabukasan, binigay nila to. They call this one, bad boy, or the electric skillet. Na pwede kang magluto using only this bad boy. Na pwede magluto ng fried chicken without oil, fried fish without oil, pansit, pansit pihon, pansit pisado, kahit anong pansit. Ang pinakagusto ko dito yung chop suey. Bakit? Kasi yung gulay, dito ko napakain ng gulay eh. Yung gulay niya, according to their art and science behind the cookware, is nare-retain niya yung 90+% na nutrition from vegetable. So, sarap. Ngayon, kumakain ng gulay. Dati hindi. So, moving on, ito na yung kinuha namin set, which is the Super 88, or they call it the Kabayan set. Tara, open natin. Wow! Tibay nito, idol. By the way, ang grade nito is titanium, surgical grade stainless steel. So, yung mga inner lining niya is made of titanium daw. And we have this. And ito ang first set na nakuha natin. Ito daw, once it reaches the right temperature, mag-alarm na siya. Ito yung alarm niya. Means, ready, cook na siya. And what you're gonna need to do is low fire lang until it's ready for serving na. Yan. So, meron pa kami nito. Mas maliit dito, kaso hindi siya electric. So, moving on to the next cooking wheel. Same sila yung size. Siguro ito yung 7-inch. Ayan, ganda. Chrome finish. Napaka-tight. Ayan. Pangalo ha. Masarap to pang tinola, bulalo. And ito yung kanilang rice cooker. Wow. Ang tawag nila dito is Foley daw. Kasi maraming holes. Yo! So, ito siya. Dito ko nalagay yung bigas sa loob. Tapos, on top of it, sa baba, pala, lalagay mo dito yung tubig. So, may ganito siya, tsura niya. Ayan. So, yung rice nilalagay mo dyan, madede-start siya. Tapos, maluluto siya itself. Then, bababa yung glycemic content ng rice. Tulad ko kayo na mahilig sa kanin, ito ang paraan natin para hindi tumaas ang blood sugar. Then ito daw, yung handle niya. Kasi nga, may handle siya. It's made of ebonite daw. Same composition yung nasa bowling ball. Ayan, wow, nice. Nice. So, pwede mo lang siyang lagay. Tanggal. Bilis siya matanggal ha. Ayos. Good siya. Goods. Goods na goods. Ito naman, dito. Sa ating, may handle siya. Nakota. Ayos. So, pwede siya dito. Nice. Dito siya. Or, dalawa. Gagi. Ayos. Ayan, so, in total, meron itong Super 88 or the Kabayan set na tatlong set lang. And, one freebies, which is the electric skillet or the bad boy. Which is, how much? If you will buy this, iPhone 17 Pro Max 2 TB. More than that. Konti. And aside from that, meron akong nakuhang free turner. Salad Master din. Galing. Turner siya. Good for fried egg. Meron din ano to? Kung kinuha ko ba, sabi electric fan ito eh. Electric fan. Without fan. Ito. Handle niya. Itong handle nito, pwede din siguro dito. Kasi uniform lang sila eh. As you can see, ayan siya. Wow, burger, fried egg, hotdog, roll mo dyan. Okay. Sige, try natin kung pwede ito. Same lang sila. Nice, sturdy siya. Galing. So, both of these are free. And one knife. Hindi ko pakita yung knife. Kasi owing pa yun. Wala pa daw. And I attended their Independence Day every Monday. So I completed 4 weeks. I got this. The Salad Master chopping board. Ito. Pag matigas ang ulo, pukpok dito. So that's all. Lahat ng set na nakuha ko from Salad Master.